Hey guys, it is Julie Willits, your nanopreneur, and today I'm here with a video about the reasons why affiliate marketing is probably the best when you're first starting out in your business. And I am representing my team, the Astros, in the World Series. Got another game tonight, so hoping we win that one and we won't have to worry about playing the Nationals anymore. Anyway, why you would want to consider affiliate marketing as your first business. First of all, you do not have to create your own product, and you're going to be set into a system where you're going to have a link that is going to be coded to you. And there you're going to take that link and you're going to use a domain name to not expose your raw link all over the place, where you may post it in videos or on blog posts, things like that. You don't want your raw link out there. You want an actual domain name. So that would be the first thing you would want to consider setting up when you start your affiliate marketing business. This is something that you're going to have a system, and you're not going to have to collect payments on your own. They're going to have a payment processing system, which is a huge ordeal if you're trying to create your own products and get it, even if it's like on JVZoo or any of the other. ClickBank is another one that, not that you would have to have your own payment processor, but if you had your own products on JVZoo, you would have to have some type of payment processing there so people can pay for your product, and then you would have to work out the details on how you would collect that money from that site. So, I mean, there's a lot of different factors that go into starting a business of your own. So I think affiliate marketing is something that you're going to start with ease, because a lot of it is kind of set up for you. And that's part of the problem that people have, is they struggle with the technical portion of it, and they don't know how to get things set up properly. So if the only thing you have to do is create a domain name, I mean, you can do that with GoDaddy, Namecheap. There's probably several other ones you could go out there and use, but those are the two that come to mind and are widely used by a lot of different marketers in the industry. And then you have the products that you're selling in affiliate marketing, and you're going to earn a commission if somebody buys that product from you. Now, there's some companies that will only allow you to sell products if you're an affiliate for the company, or you can only use the products if you're an affiliate for the company. But then there's other places that you can buy the products and don't necessarily have to be an affiliate. So those are two of the other things you kind of need to weigh out when you're researching and looking for a company that's going to work for you. And I find that digital products are so much easier than to try and sell a physical product here in the online world. A digital business is one of the top 4 ranking businesses. Affiliate marketing is also the other top ranking business here on when you're trying to get started online. So if you have both of those, right, into one company, then I think that's even a better bonus to have digital products that you can share with people, that you do not have to create on your own. And then you have the marketing of the affiliate part, where you're able to earn commissions from that particular company. So you're starting out and you don't want a lot of overwhelm in creating your business, getting started. You know, you're going to have to go through training. Everybody has to train and everybody has to learn. And you do that on a continuous basis, regardless of how long you've been in the industry. But starting out at the very bottom, I think affiliate marketing is probably one of the easiest things that you're able to get going in a timely manner and not feel like you're going to have to learn all these different things and to be able to start earning commissions, right? So if you have the guidance of a company that is taking you through everything that you should know about how to operate your business, how to create your own sales funnel, how to put all that stuff together and hook it together with an autoresponder at the same time, because you're going to need to follow up with people, and having an autoresponder connected to your sales funnel is going to enable you to send out mass emails to everybody that has signed up for your offer at one time, because not everybody's going to purchase on the first exposure to your affiliate product, whatever it may be. They're going to need some time to think about it, and a lot of times it may take 7 to even 15 exposures before they'd actually decide to buy. So I hope this gives you a little bit of insight on why I feel that affiliate marketing is the best startup for somebody that is brand new coming into the online world. And I will leave information in the description on what I am actually doing at this time. And if you're new to my channel, please subscribe and hit the notification bell, and you will be notified when I upload new video content. So I hope you're having a great day, and go Astros. See you on the next one. Bye now.